Warm, fresh, homemade ricotta, toasted baguette with some garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, salt and pepper. Simplicity at its finest. So damn delicious. Making ricotta at home is so easy. It's so simple. It's such a good thing to make at home and have in the fridge. All you need is a little bit of milk, a little bit of cream, a pinch of salt, lemon, some cheesecloth, a strainer, and a little bit of ambition. Let's get started. So I'm gonna put 750 grams of milk and 250 grams of cream. Give it a good pinch of salt and get that on the heat. Got my wireless Typher temperature probe. 90 degrees Celsius or 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you're stirring it, it's not sticking to the bottom. Keep your probe in there. You're looking for 90 degrees Celsius or 194 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, we're there. Just under a boil. Once it reaches that temperature, we're gonna squeeze the juice of one whole lemon in there and just lightly agitate it together. And the acidity from the lemon is just going to separate the whey from the milk solids, and it's going to just split it. Stir it gently. Make sure the lemon is fully mixed around so it hits everywhere evenly, but you don't want to mix it so much that the ricotta is going to break and it's going to break back together. You want to just very gently touch it and then get to a point where you don't have to move it at all, okay? You just leave it. Now we're going to let it sit there off for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and we're just going to let it sit there, relax, and start to pull apart, separate the whey from the curd. And then we're gonna pour it through this cheesecloth. We're gonna catch all of the cheese curds, all of the whey is gonna come out of the bottom, and that's gonna be our beautiful, nice, lovely ricotta. Then we're gonna take that, toast a nice little piece of baguette, rub some garlic on it, beautiful fresh ricotta on the top, little drizzle of olive oil, and then eat it. Very simple, very delicious. Okay, let's get that started. Got a pan on behind me, got a nice little baguette. Here we have our milk and cream sat with our lemon juice. The lemon juice has split the milk and cream. We have cheese curds and we have whey. I'm gonna pour it out through this cheesecloth and we're gonna collect all of our ricotta. Now, the longer you let this sit and hang, the drier your ricotta is gonna end up. Less amount of time you let it hang, the more loose, the wetter it's gonna end up. I suggest leaving it for at least 10 minutes, bring it to a good consistency. So guys, you don't want to really agitate it. You kind of wanna just leave it, let it sit, put it in the fridge like this, then let it just continuously drip. You don't want to agitate it, you don't want to move it, you don't want to press it because you don't want to squeeze any of those solids out. You want it to naturally drip down itself. As time passes, it's going to firm up. Bread's come out of the pan. We're just going to take some garlic and just perfume that bread with the garlic. All right, guys, so we're here. The ricotta's been sitting now for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's firmed up quite a bit. All right, a lot of the moisture has dropped out. Now you can just stick it in the fridge just like that, season it with a little bit of salt and use it however you like. Just to show you guys, one of my favorite ways to eat it, toasted bread. I'm gonna take some of this fresh ricotta, get it on top. This is so easy, it's so simple. Grate a little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a damn good snack. Toasted baguette with some garlic, fresh homemade ricotta, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, salt and pepper. Simplicity at its finest and so damn delicious. Warm, fresh ricotta. It's hard to beat. If you like recipes like this and you want to see more, follow, subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon.